Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Mind-Blowing Maths. Today we will be discussing writing equations of perpendicular as well as parallel lines. First, let's start off with the definitions. Parallel lines are two lines that never intersect at any point. And perpendicular lines are two lines that meet in such a way that one forms a 90-degree angle with the other at the point of intersection. Please refer to the picture shown below for more examples. Something to remember when you're finding the slope of parallel lines is that the slope of two parallel lines will always be equal. As you can see in the diagram shown below, line A has a slope of -1/5, line B has a slope of -1/4, and line C has a slope of -1/5. It might not be very clear to tell from the diagram that line B is not parallel to line A or C, but referring to the slopes, we can see that line A and line C are parallel to each other. Let's try an example. If the slope of one line is 4, what is the slope of the other line in order for the lines to be parallel to each other? The answer is that the line also has to have a slope of 4. Let's move on to finding the slope of perpendicular lines. The product of the slope of two perpendicular lines is -1. Basically, that means that the slope of a perpendicular line is the negative reciprocal of the other. Let's see the diagram. So we can see that the blue line has a slope of -2 and the red line has a slope of 1/2. And we can see that from these slopes and from the diagram, these two lines are perpendicular. Let's try another example. If one line has a slope of 3, what is the slope of the other line in order for the lines to be perpendicular? Before I move on to the answer, it is important to remember that the slope of one perpendicular line is a negative reciprocal of the other. The reciprocal of a number is just switching the numerator and denominator. So let's say that I want to find the reciprocal of 2/3. I switch the numerator and denominator, and the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. And the negative reciprocal also means to not only switch the numerator and denominator, but to also switch the sign. So the reciprocal of 3 would be -1/3. I hope this video helped. Please comment down below more math topics you want me to review about. Thank you.